Y'all understand what we are doing, brother?
So you got any questions?
The book of Deuteronomy chapter 28.
God hate evil. Why God hate a certain race?
Have a shot blessed. Hey man, we out here for our people, man. We are the battle axes of the Most High.
We won a lot of battles, but there's more in store. If you're gonna be a soldier, know what you're fighting for. We the battle axes, Yah's weapons of war. We won a lot of battles, but there's more in store. If you're gonna be a soldier, know what you're fighting for. We the battle axes, Yah's weapons of war. We won a lot of battles, but there's more in store. If you're gonna be a soldier, know what you're fighting for.
Step it up, let's go.
It's for that cop. The book of Mark, chapter 4, verse 14. The sower sowed the word.
The sower sowed the word. We out here giving y'all this truth. But guess what happened? Go ahead,
And these are they by the wayside where the word is sown.
By the wayside, these crooked cops, by the what they do,
But when they have heard, Satan cometh immediately.
Who cometh immediately?
Satan cometh immediately.
Who trying to stop our shine?
Satan cometh immediately.
Be prepared, man. The devil is always lurking, man. 1 Peter 5:8, man. Because your devil, the adversary, the devil, he lurking, trying to get you, man, in every way, fashion.
Right.
He always lurking. You got some on that?
And taketh away the word that was sown in their heart.
And guess what they try to do? They try to take this word away, but guess what? The Most High's word won't go void.
That's right.
He got exactly the people that he needed to hear tonight. If he wanted that word to get sown to him, guess what? It got sown to him. It ain't nothing they can do. You want to cut off a speaker? You want to cut off an old microphone? You better try to cut off this Bible, and it ain't never been cut off.
That's right. That's right.
You can't. Like what he said on the movie, you won't. Well, guess what? My mouth is bigger than yours. I'm going to speak this truth, man. I'm going to use my mouth as an arrow, man, and let it hit you with that bow, man. Scripture's like a bow, man. Arrows and bows, we throwing them at you because we got to, man. Give me that. Give me that and finish that up.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 29 and verse 11. And the vision of all is become unto you as the words of a book that is sealed.
And the visions of us, okay, keep reading,
which men deliver to one that is learned, saying.
Because if you read up, matter of fact, go to 10. Go to 10.
Verse 10. For Yahweh hath poured out upon you the spirit of deep sleep.
That's what's wrong with our people, man. The Most High put us into deep sleep.
Bring it out,
We was not following our God. Therefore, he said, you know what? I'm not going to give them no understanding right now. We was in deep sleep, man. We couldn't understand the scriptures. Read on,
And have closed your eyes. The prophets and your rulers, the seers, hath he covered.
So we couldn't hear and understand. We couldn't see and visualize. He closed us. He stopped us up, man. He stopped us from getting understanding. Go ahead.
And the vision of all is become unto you as the words of a book that is sealed.
And he sealed the book. The Bible, he sealed it, man. We couldn't get the true understanding. We was out here thinking that we were Christians. We was out here thinking that we was African Americans, that we were Negroes, that we was everything but what he told us that we were. He sealed our minds and severed us from them. Go ahead.
Which men deliver to one that is learned, saying, read this, I pray thee.
And what happened?
And he saith, I cannot, for it is sealed.
So even to the learned, even to the renowned men, he has sealed it off, man. That's right. He said, see it. He said, I can't understand it. Who else couldn't understand it?
Oh, so look.
Read on. You
Verse
good.
12. And the book is delivered to him that is not learned, saying, read this, I pray thee. And he saith, I am not learned.
I am not learned. What that sound like? That sound like an old wicked pastor. Go to the pastor, ask him a question. Oh, I can't understand that. But guess what we gonna do? We just gonna pray about it. Like I said, what are we gonna pray about? The pastor will tell you in a minute. They don't understand it. They don't know. Let's go to Deuteronomy, pastor. Where that's at? Let's go read some laws, pastor. I thought the laws were done away with. I don't understand that.
But yeah, we got to tithe.
But you're tithing. But I could have sworn it said, ye bring all your tithes into the storehouse. I could have sworn that when he said he opened up the river and made it rain, I could have sworn that rain, that was rain that he gave us for our crops to grow. Crops. But they tithe and taking your money, man. So he sealed our minds and hearts that we couldn't understand this, man. And these pastors, they are still shut off to this thing. They don't understand this. That's why we're trying to tell our people, you looking at your wisdom right here. The Most High God brought us out them situations. I love that precept I quoted earlier, Titus 3:3, because we once were sometimes foolish, man. Y'all come out here and think y'all messing with some old tender brothers, you better stop playing. Right. We was in them streets, we was in them trap houses, we was running women, we was doing everything that you thought you was doing. That's right. Maybe times 10, maybe times 20.
That's right.
But the Most High said, I'm gonna use the base and turn them into the wise. You think we ain't gonna be able to handle ourselves out here? That's right. That's right. He went and got the street niggas to come and get the street niggas. That's right. Stop playing. We also ourselves are sometimes foolish. Bring it out. Bring it out. Because I still want to talk about these so-called police while they here.
Psalm chapter 10 verse 8.
Bring it out.
He said in the lurking.
He do what?
He's sitting in the lurking place of the village.
And he's sitting in the lurking places of the village doing what?
In the secret place he murder the innocent.
I wish we could have pulled this scripture when that woman was out here. These police wait to murder a Negro. They can't wait to get a call. Yep. They can't wait to see, oh, somebody doing something. Is that a nigga? Right. Gun on their hand. Right. I thought you was trained. I thought you was trained. I thought you had that little course where you saw an innocent pavilion and then you saw a robber or something and you was able to stand down from the innocent pavilion, but you would shoot the robber. Right. Now all of us are robbers in their eyes. That's right. When the fact is, they the biggest robbers on the planet. That's right. I brought out another scripture, prepare slaughter, man. These wicked police go out to prepare slaughter. Then guess what? They got old Jackson over here with him like they care about Jackson. Action Jackson. He ain't nothing. Guess what? He might be friendly fire. He just might be friendly fire. Jackson. He just, next thing you know, he might be friendly fire. Oh, I had to shoot Jackson. He harmed me. He posed me as a threat. Bring it out. I feared for my life. Bring it out. But you trained. Right. But you've been on the force 20 years. Right. But all of a sudden you see one Negro. Like he said, you see Tamir Rice, a 12-year-old boy. What is that trained about killing a 12-year-old boy?
Bring it out, huh?
What is that trained? But you see a sister by herself in Houston, Texas, Sandra Bland. Oh, you want to go with the women? You want to try to go war with the women? Won't y'all try to go to war with the Israelites? That's right. Won't y'all try to go war with the real men right now? Right. You won't. You can't. Give me Zechariah 11:5. Cowboys. Finish that off while you get it. Give me Zechariah 11:5.
In the secret place do he murder the innocent.
In the secret places he murdered the innocent, man. That's what they do.
His eyes are privileged set against the Lord.
That's right. And guess what? They straight lurking on us. You think they worried about Highland Park? They ain't out there with their guns on their back for Highland Park.
So ain't.
Even though the white man might have his gun. Hey, hold on, brother. Hey, calm down, guy. Hey, give me a second, Jason. Hold on, brother. Wait a minute. Let's just talk about this. But they come to Oak Cliff. You better not catch them in South Dallas. They got their gun in their hand. They got their gun right here. Next step is shooting. That's right, man. Bring it out, Doc.
The book of 1 Peter, chapter 5 and verse 8.
Bring it out. That's what I want.
Be sober.
Be sober. Oh, I can smoke a little weed.
Be vigilant.
Be sober. Bring that again.
Be sober.
Because brothers want to play semantics with this thing, man. The Most High said be sober. It don't matter how, oh, I just smoke one blunt a day. You ain't sober around that time. Right. And guess what that time might be? That might just be a blunt in this thing. I smoke 30 or 40 a day. You think I ain't want to? No, I heard the law. Right. And I tried to go against it every day. Right. Oh, but I found this scripture. Be sober. Oh, but I found that scripture.
Be sober.
Be sober, man. Go ahead.
Be vigilant.
Watch, man. Keep your eyes open, brothers and sisters. Be on the alert. Be on the prowl. Look, man, because they always trying to get you.
Because your adversary.
Because you're who?
Your adversary.
The other nations, these fake pastors, the other nations that can't stand your guts.
The devil.
The who?
The devil.
What are these police?
The devil.
Yeah, look at me when I'm talking to you, Chris. Look at me when I'm talking to you, boy. Yeah, you don't like that. These niggas out here standing bold, that's right. Because our adversary, the devil. What I...
As a roaring lion.
They think they lions, but they ain't number cubs, man. Here go the real lions right here. That's right. Cubs, man. Go ahead.
Welcome about seeking whom he may devour.
They looking to their left. There's a nigga over there I can shoot. Damn. Hey, look to their right. Damn, ain't no nigga over there I can shoot. Right. Yeah, they ain't complete unless they damn near about to shoot one of us.
That's right, that's right.
They go home, hey honey, how was your day? I didn't get to shoot a nigga today. I tell you, it's been like 2 weeks now. They waiting. Just like that woman cop that shot that man, she had told that other cop she was been waiting to shoot a nigga. They had Texas going for, she said I was waiting to shoot a nigga. Every day that's what they doing, they not complete. They go home crying to their wife about how they didn't get to shoot no nigga. I ain't even get to pull the gun out on them, honey. I didn't touch my gun today. Hell, that should be the best thing going for you, man. But nah, they want that drama, they want that problem. Your adversary, the devil, like a roaring lion, what?
Walketh about, seeking whom he may devour.
Seeking whom he may devour, man. Bring it out.
Whom resist steadfast in the faith.
Steadfast, man. That's why we say you got to keep these laws. You got to be steadfast in the faith, man. You got to be steadfast in the faith, and not just the faith. Press that. Give me James 2:17.
Knowing that the same afflictions.
Knowing that what?
The same afflictions are accomplished in your brethren that are in the world.
Man, the same affliction, man. If it ain't you, it's our people out here on these streets, man. That's why we say we ain't worried about individualites, man. We worried about the Israelites, man.
That's right.
Everybody talking about, oh, I'm good. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, I'm great. I stay in Plano. I got a vet. Got me a pool table in my living room. Yeah, but what about our nation, man? What about your people? I got a Becky. I walk her, she walk me every day. You know? If she want kibbles, I got kibbles. If she want gravy, I got gravy train. Yeah, they worried about themselves, but they not worried about the nation.
That's right.
Look at our older men, man, out here walking. I know it. And that's painful to see our people like this, man. Our older men should be in cars, going to their houses with their wives and their children, man. But we out here walking, hoping that we can get $5 to catch the train.
Right.
While the white man riding the train for enjoyment. Oh, let's go see some niggas today. Hey, ain't nothing else to do, honey. Let's go ride the train, see some niggas. Laugh at their asses. That astonishment. They're supposed to be God's people. That's why the scriptures say that we are astonishment, man.
That's right, that's right.
We are gods. We were gods in this thing. But only if you unlock your power, the Most High God, are you a God, man.
That's right.
And don't get it twisted, because in that scripture, you are a lowercase God.
Right.
We got the one true power. Sister, give us a moment of your time. Y'all hearing nothing. Can't be like that. They ain't got that baby out here with no shoes on. It's too cold, mama. We need our people to get to understand, man. That's not good, man. Next thing they gonna tell you go to the doctor and give her all kind of shots.
Right.
Don't know what they gonna be giving. You know what I'm saying? This is what we gotta do. We gotta care for our nation of people, man. Stop being individualites and be everybody likes Israelites, man. Come on, man. What you got for me out?
Lamentations 4:3 on that woman.
Bring that. Good scripture.
Book of Lamentations, chapter 4 and verse 3.
Read.
Even the sea monsters draw out of the breast. They give suck to their young ones.
Man.
The daughter of my people is become cruel.
The what?
The daughter of my people is become cruel.
The daughter of my people is become cruel, man. The baby don't. She got a jacket on, but the baby don't. That's not. See, we got daughters having babies, man.
That's right.
She's still a daughter herself, man. She ain't no mother, man. We got kids having kids, man. And you know, a kid is a baby go, but you know, we got our children having children, man. That's out of line. That's why we try to tell our people, man. Really, and that's a great scripture, because to get on our women, man, they are our biggest problem today. Along with what else? Our children, man. Because guess what? They getting learned from an unlearned parent.
That's right.
He here. He already here. Let's go. Bring it out.
Isaiah chapter 3, verse 12.
Bring it out.
As for my people.
As for who?
As for my people.
No, everybody.
As for my people. Children are their oppressors.
Who are their oppressors?
The children are their oppressors.
You try to tell the children a child something today, they gonna cuss you out. Probably tell you they gonna pull a pistol on you, 13, 14-year-old.
That's right.
When I was growing up, yeah, I cussed a little bit, but it was around my partners. I never had the decency or the audacity to cuss in front of grown-ups. I couldn't do that. But now these days, they give you the finger, tell you go kick rocks, whatever. Come on, fade me, I'll fade you. All that talking, man. Our people, children are our oppressors, man. And what else?
And women rule over them.
And who rule over?
And women rule over them.
That's because the world is out of order. It's upside down. You got the woman being the man now. Part of it is because the man being tender. Give me 28 to 54, do the run. Part of it is because the man out here not being men. Then the world caters to the woman. Give you Section 8, boy, that man got to be out of that house. Oh yeah, girl, they give me $400 a month, plus I ain't got to pay for the $200 rent. I rent $28. But ain't no Negro in that house. You kill the head, the body ain't nothing, man.
Yeah, that's right.
You take the head out of the house and the body is nothing. Everything is out of order. And that's what's wrong with the world. Children are our oppressors, women rule over them. The order is not set how the Most High said it. Men, you gotta start being men, or this thing will never get right. It's the woman's natural affection to follow a leader. Key word, a leader. You lead her to the Most High God, right? Not to destruction. You don't have your woman out here smoking all kind of, you doing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little Tuesday. Yeah, I got my girl smoking Tuesday now. What is that? That's retarded. K2, 2K. I call it 2K. All this old fake, all this, come on man, you know we's in the streets. All this old fake stuff, man. Yeah, I know I you a little older than you, yeah, the streets. Y'all had that other stuff in back in the day. Yeah, man. I know it. I said a little older. Bring this out.
The book of Deuteronomy chapter 28 and verse 54.
And that's what our big problem is today in this world too. We got to get our men to step up, man. Men be men. Read this out.
So that the man that is tender among you.
So that the man is tender. Real feminist. And what?
And very delicate.
And very delicate. I remember, boy, you tried to call me delicate, boy, it's a fight.
No doubt.
Tell a Negro he delicate today, or what that mean?
Won a lot of battles, but there's more in store. If you're gonna be a soldier, know what you're fighting for. We the battle axes, Yah's weapons of war. We won a lot of battles, but there's more in store. If you're gonna be a soldier, know what you're fighting for. We the battle axes, Yah's weapons.
Chapter 14, verse 2. Judah mourning, and the gates thereof languish.
He said the real Jews are in mourning, and the gates they ain't got no gates right now. We ain't got no protection.
They are black.
They are what?
They are black.
Now the so-called white man wrote this Bible.
They are black.
If the so-called white man wrote this Bible and steps on it, they would have took out that the real Jews are black.
That's right.